Hello everyone, and welcome to a collaboration introduction. Now if you want to find out more, you know what to do, stick around. I am your host, Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, Decorating on the Budget. And today's episode is entitled The Vision Board Collaboration 2024 Manifest Your Ideal Life Step by Step. Now I have simple rules, and your rules are: Number 1, create a vision board about your plans, your goals for 2024, be it YouTube or life. Number 2, use the title Vision Board Collaboration 2024, Manifest Your Ideal Life Step by Step. Number 3, share using one of the following: a poster board, a tablet, a notepad or notebook, or digital. I generally do mine digital, so I'm really curious to see what you guys come up with this year. Number 4, mention host in your video and description box. Number 5, use hashtag VisionBoard2024. Now the upload date will be January 11th, 2024. The time for the upload will be 5 p.m. Central Standard or 6 p.m. Eastern Standard. Please, no early uploads. Now, if you have any questions or concerns about this collaboration, please let me know down below or email me at CreativelyMsMe@gmail.com. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.